Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'm just gonna sit down, casually do my makeup, kind of show you guys what I use and talk about current topics and just random stuff. So this is a chatty get ready with me. It's not, I don't think it was that chatty, but you get a little bit of both. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. If you guys haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing because I do post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And yeah, let's just get started with the video. So Juno&Co was kind enough to send me a PR box, I would say. They did send me these brushes that they have, and then they sent me 2 of their microfiber sponges, which you guys know that I like. So in this chatty get ready, I'm just gonna just use some of the brushes and kind of test them out and see how they work, and I'll talk a little bit about them as I use them and tell you guys if I like them or not. So let's just get started with the makeup. So I'm gonna start out by spraying my face with this Garnier Soothing Facial Mist. Oh, I love how that stuff feels. You guys need to try that mist. I'm just gonna prime my face with the One Heck of a Blot primer. I'm gonna put this on my nose. My skin's been feeling a little dry around here. I'm gonna put the Too Faced Hangover RX, and this is gonna go all over my cheeks. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera. I just can't do them on camera, so I'm gonna do that and then I'll come back. Okay, brows done, so let's just get started. So I've already primed my eyes, and I'm just gonna play with this palette. This is the Not a Basic Peach palette by Wet n Wild. So I'm gonna try to use these brushes. This is the only eye brush that I got from Juno&Co. I actually bought this brush earlier when I got the sponge, and I do like it. So we'll just apply the setting powder or the setting color just to set my concealer with this brush, and I do like this brush. Let's talk about the new YouTube monetization requirements. I was actually not really bothered by the new rule because I wasn't obsessively counting my views as it was, and I gave myself a goal of a year. Within a year, I would want to monetize my video, and that's my goal still. I think I would have monetized it within the 4 months that I started YouTube, because I think I hit 10,000 views in 4 months, which is awesome. But my goal was always a year. That is still my goal, and I'm gonna work hard so that the videos that I do post are videos that people want to watch and people want to stay for. One of my pet peeves with YouTube and like the smaller YouTube community, I feel like people just click on a video, say something nice, and then leave, which I've always had a gripe with that, because the bigger number, the 4,000 hours that they require, that shows how much YouTube is really more interested in the watch time that people are giving YouTube as a whole. And so they're gonna give priority, I guess, to the people that actually have channels and videos that are being watched by people. It is nice to receive comments from people, but I could always tell from the comments what people are actually watching my videos and which ones are the ones that just click on them, give a nice comment, and really didn't watch it. So I think now it's going to be a lot harder for people to get monetized, which is, in my opinion, it's not that bad, because it just makes you want to work harder, and that's how you guys should see it. Work harder. It's not that easy, but good things come to those who work hard. I know it's not that same. I think it's good things come to those who wait, but I think we all have to work hard and you will get it. I'm gonna talk about some channels that I like that talk about YouTube and how to get started and how to grow your channel. These channels helped me and keep helping me stay motivated. And all of those channels do talk about how sub for sub is not good. I don't want subscribers that are, what's the word, like ghost subscribers that just subscribe and leave and never watch my videos. I don't want that. I want the people that are actually subscribed to my channel to be people that are actually enjoying the content that I'm giving out or putting out. So one of the channels that I do enjoy to watch, and one of the channels that keeps me motivated, is Think Media, and it's by Sean Kennel, I believe is his last name. This guy, oh my god, he is so motivating. He talks about camera reviews, talks about YouTube and how to grow your channel, how to stay motivated, pretty much. That's a good channel you guys should be watching so that you guys can get new ideas on how to get your videos out there, how to increase the watch time, how to, you know, maintain subscribers. Another channel that I like, and he's also part of it, Sean is part of it with another guy, is video influencers. Those two guys partnered out to make this channel, and that one is a little bit more on YouTube and how, you know, like how to grow your channel, how to get 1,000 subscribers fast, and how to do all these things. And I've been applying certain tips and recommendations that they have. They're so motivating. Another channel that I like is Sunny Lenarduzzi, I believe. I'll link all of these below. And she talks about also like YouTube and how to, you know, the tags and how to get your videos out there, how to start a YouTube channel. So, oh, and another thing that I like about the media influencers, or the video influencers, and Think Media, they talk about a little bit more about the equipment that you guys can use for your videos, you know, when to get started. And I don't know, these channels are really good. And that's, you know, instead of huffing and puffing and complaining about, you know, how hard it is going to be now to monetize your videos, watch their channels, watch the recommendations, and really apply them, and you'll see that you guys have nothing to worry about. And another thing they talk about, and I totally agree, is that monetizing your channel, it's a very small amount compared to other passive incomes that could come through your channel. And what we should be, I guess, concentrating on right now is trying to influence that, to have an influence on the people that actually watch you. Because if you don't have an influence, or if you don't have a community within your channel, then I mean, nothing's gonna come out of it. So you guys just keep doing your videos, put them out there, and people are gonna watch eventually if you guys are genuine and enjoy doing what you're doing and are not doing it just for the money. My lips are feeling a little dry, and this is all I have. That's the only thing I have to say in regards to the new YouTube monetization. Yes, and oh, another guy that I forgot to talk about that talks really good about YouTube and inspires, I guess. His name is Roberto Blake. Roberto Blake is awesome. The way he talks, and just all of those are very, very inspiring and motivating. So I'm going to put that down below so that you guys can look into those videos, into those channels, and get motivated, because this new rule was a little bit of a downer, but it's not the end of the world. You guys can do it. We all can do it. And yes, I'm gonna take this darker brown right here, and I'm gonna darken up my outer V. I really like this palette. This like shimmery gold yellowy tone is so pretty. Ooh, this brown is like on a whole nother level. So I'm excited about Super Bowl, but I just realized that I'm gonna be working that day, and I don't think I'll be able to watch it. What the hell? So we recently got a new kitten, and I haven't really talked about him at all in my channel. If you guys have heard any meowing for some reason in any of my latest videos, that is my new kitten. The very first, I think, 2 videos that I ever posted here on YouTube, if you guys watch them, there's a cat in my videos, and that is Maribel, and we used to have her, but she actually passed away a couple months ago from cancer, and it just happened all of a sudden, and we got really depressed about it. It was so sad, but we knew that there were so many other kittens out there that needed our home and needed a forever home. So we decided to adopt another kitten, and this time it's a boy kitten and he's awesome. If he comes near my table, I'll pick him up and show you guys. But his name is Tito, and inspired by the vodka, because I love Tito's vodka. Who else likes Tito's vodka? So his name is Tito, and he's just so adorable. We got him at 2 months old, and he's about to turn 3 months, I believe. So it's been very good. My dog, the German Shepherd that we have, Scarlett, has been getting along with him really good. She just doesn't realize how big she is compared to her own size. So we kind of have to keep an eye on them and making sure that she's not stepping on him or anything like that. But he's like fearless. Like, this cat is so fearless. He does not care how big she is. Like, we'll go save him and making sure he's okay, and then he just goes back to her and just wants to keep playing with her. So we don't worry too much about him, but we do just keep an eye on both of them because we don't want her to squash her or squash him. So it's been great with the new kitten. I'm going to take this brush. This is again the Juno brush. This is the ES06, and I'm going to take this transition color up here, and I'm going to use that for my brow bone. So I'm just curling my eyelashes now and preparing them for some mascara. I'm going to use the Essence Volume Stylist Mascara. I'm going to take one of the newer sponges, and I'm going to apply the foundation dry, because this sponge applies foundation like a dream. When it's dry, it's so amazing. So I'm just going to show you guys. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me. This is in the shade 228 Soft Tan. Put some in my hand. Actually, let me use my palette. I never use this thing. I should use it more often. Just put a little bit right here. Ooh. Oh, that's a lot. Oh, that's a lot.
So first I'm going to take this, this is the Juno&Co ES01. And this is kind of like, it looks like my Mud 940 brush. So this is just like a foundation brush. If you guys don't like touching foundation at all, apply your foundation with this and then blend it out, and then that way you avoid putting foundation on your hand, on your fingers. It's just more convenient. I know it's an extra step, but it's just, I like it better. I've been doing this a little bit more often, so we'll just take this. Some people actually blend the whole foundation with this brush, but I feel like some of these brushes leave streaks. So I just apply it and then blend it out with a sponge. So let's blend it out with the sponge. And when the sponge is dry, I don't do tapping or, I don't do this. I just blend it out as if I were blending out with my fingers. And I just love the coverage that it gives. And then the smaller part, I'm going to use it to get into these tight spaces around the eyebrow.
Okay, so my camera stopped recording and I didn't know. So I went ahead and put the concealer under the eyes, and I set it with the AOA Perfect Studio. This is in Soft Light, just for a little bit more of a brightness under the eye. This is the first time I use this for all over my face. So let's try it. Let's use this brush. This is the Juno&Co ES02. I don't know why I'm getting confused with these numbers. So I'm just going to take whatever's on the pan or lid. Oh, that's a lot of powder. This brush is nice for powder, for setting powder. I don't know if you guys saw, I have a new intro and quite cheesy about it because I did it all by myself. So let me know how you guys liked my new intro. I did it using a app called Splice, and it was very simple to do. I was contemplating on doing something different, but I wanted something simple, straight to the point, my name, my face, bam, and that's what I came up with. Okay, so that brush was nice to apply. Man, this powder actually makes my face look very flawless. I'm gonna use this brush to bronze, well, bronze and contour a little bit. This brush, and I'm gonna use this powder, the Glam and Glitz powder. I usually like my contouring or bronzing brushes to be a little bit more fluffier, but this one seems to be working just fine. A very tiny bit up here. Bronze my nose a little bit. For highlight, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Golden Flower Crown. And I'm going to use this fan brush. I'm not a fan of fan brushes, pun intended, but we will try it. I just feel like it's going to apply my highlight like way too much and everywhere because of how big it is. But, oh, I forgot blush. Let's do blush first. Okay, I'm going to put this blush. This is the Milani blush in Bella Bellini. So I'm going to use this brush. This is the Juno&Co ES05. And apply this on the apples of my cheeks. Okay, I do like this brush. Ooh. I like it. I like it. The only thing with this blush, can you guys see that shine? Oh my god, I don't even know if I need any highlight. It's a lot of shimmer. I forgot that this blush has a lot of shimmer. Jesus. It looks like I have highlight all over my face. I don't know if I like it. Excuse all that shimmer. Alright, so now I'm a little worried that I'm gonna highlight, so let's just do a little bit with this fan brush just for trying out purposes. So there's that highlight right there. It's pretty cool. That's all I'm going to highlight because I feel like I have a lot of shimmer on my face right now. The lips, I'm just going to go ahead and gloss. I know I'm like a broken record with this gloss, but this is what I'm going to use. This is the Buxom Lip Cream in Dolly. And there is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this chatty get ready. It wasn't very chatty. I mean, if you know me in real life, I don't really talk a lot. But when I do have something to say, I feel like I want to sit down and talk to you guys about it. And that YouTube monetization, I went back and forth whether I wanted to go and do a whole video on it. And I didn't. So I thought, let's sit down. This is a makeup channel. It's not a rant channel. It's not any kind of other channel. But it is a makeup channel. So I wanted to sit down at least and do a chatty get ready with me and then touch a little bit on that topic. So like I said, I will link down those channels down below so that you guys can check them out and get inspired and motivated and reset your mentality when it comes to YouTube. So I'm gonna put all of that down below. And yeah, if you guys liked all these brushes that I used in today's video, they turned out to be really nice. I think the only one that I don't like is the Juno&Co the fan brush, but these brushes seem to be working really nice for the face. These are unfortunately are the two eye brushes that I had from them, and I'm just hoping that they come out with more eye brushes because you really can't do a whole look with just this brush. It's actually the same brush. So aside from that, I think these are great brushes to have. The sponge that I use, you guys already know, I love this sponge. Use it dry to get more of a fuller coverage. Use it wet to diffuse the coverage if you want. But this brush is really, this sponge is really nice. Yeah, I think that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I will catch you guys in my next video, and I will see you guys. Bye.